Today we installed DOT approved 4x4 FL STC smoked LED taillights. Amazon links available in the show notes. Hi guys, this is Dean. Welcome to another episode of 5150. On today's episode, we're going to be installing these new LED taillights on Ryan's 2020 Jeep JL Sport. This should be a fairly easy install. Shouldn't take us too long. We're going to do a comparison of what it looks like with LEDs versus he currently just has the stock taillights on his Jeep. So we're going to go ahead and get this started. These LEDs feature IP67 rated. They're LEDs. They got 4 modes. They have a brake light, turn signals, tail lights, and a supposed to be a real bright LED backup light. Like I said, these are IP67 rated. Let's go ahead and show you the box there. And then unbox it. So there we go. These are smoked. We're gonna have to use our existing bracket that's on the stock tail lights. Pretty straightforward to take off. It looks like it's pretty much plug and play. These have 50,000 hour bulb life. Okay, let's go ahead and get these installed. We're gonna take off the film protection. Man, those are sexy. All right, guys, we'd rate this a difficulty as a 1 out of 10. The tools that we're gonna need is we're gonna need a pair of pliers maybe. We're gonna use a number 2 Phillips. We're gonna use a little pry bar to lift off the cover. And we're gonna use the stock Jeep kit, torque kit that came with it. We're gonna use a 40mm torque to remove the tail light off the body. So these are the factory tail lights. These are non-LED. First thing we're going to do is open her up. All right, we're going to start on the passenger side. So we're going to install 1 LED here. We're going to keep the stock factory one over here. We do have our power tank. It's going to make it a little more difficult, depending if you pull it out or not. But we're going to do a comparison tonight where we keep the stock tail light versus the LED tail light. So this is the tool kit. We're going to use the 40mm torque on that. Okay. So we'll go ahead and pop this little 3x3 inspection cover off. That just comes off just like that. It's really easy. And then if you come in here, you're going to see there's like a white bolt. That's a 10mm and the 40mm torque in the middle. So we'll go ahead and pull that off. So on my other hand, I'm just going to hang onto the tail light just to make it a little easier. And we're just going to remove this plastic bolt. And that's what it looks like. 10mm nut, 40mm torque that comes with your Jeep to remove the hardtop. Okay, so we're going to put that aside. We'll close the door here. And we just pull this off like that. Okay, we're going to pull down on this red tab like that. And then we're just going to get a little hook in here. Right back in there. Pull that up and it comes out just like that. Okay, let's go ahead and put this on the bench. So the next thing we got to do is remove this connector from this metal housing. So you just kind of twist on this and it pops right out. You might have to use a screwdriver to kind of just lift it up, but that's pretty much it. Then we're gonna pull out these 3 Phillips. Just like that. And those are the factory screws. Now the LED kit comes with these new stainless steel ones. We'll see if we're going to use them or not, but it comes with new stainless steel, and this just lifts off like that. Move that out of the way. And we're going to remove this plastic clip too. Okay, this here is the stock tail light. This is the LED. We're just kind of matching them up. So this here's got the where we're going to put the Phillips screws in here. 1, 2, 3. Also where we have that metal clip that we're going to put on here. So we'll go ahead and move that out of the way. Take this, just put that in there like that. Then we're going to take this, line that up. All right, so we got the new bracket back on. We're going to use the new 3 of these. These are the stainless steel Phillips. I do like this wire loom around it. So we're gonna figure out a way. I'm not sure if we're gonna try to zip tie this down or just leave it there. We'll figure it out, but yeah, it fits real nice. Those screws lined up perfect. Looks like a quality light. Okay, let's go ahead and see what it looks like. All right, so what we're gonna do is just plug this connector in, snaps, push that down. All right, and that's gonna go like this. Kind of feed the loom in there. There we go. Okay. Okay, now we're going to take this screw and we're going to put it back in. Again, this is the factory torque kit that came with the Jeep. So we're just going to kind of snug this up. You know, it is plastic, so we don't want to over tighten it. We just want to make sure that we have it secure. I'm kind of wiggling the tail light just to make sure that it's snug. And there we go, it's nice and tight. Okay, then we're just gonna take this cover and put it back on. It just slides in. And we push it down like that. Okay. Okay guys, that's what the smoked one looks like. I think it looks a lot better than the factory. So on the driver's side, it's the factory tail light. Passenger side, we have the LED. So there's the LED on the right. Okay, left blinker. Okay. Turn it off. Brake lights. Turn it off. Running lights. Brake lights. Turn it off. Hazards. Alright guys, there it is. That's what they look like. Alright, we're going to go ahead and switch out the driver's side right now. Turn them on. Okay, there's the running lights there. Now we have the driver's side done. So basically we just do the same thing we did on the driver's side, how we did the passenger side. We weren't going to bore you guys with that procedure. It's really easy. So there they are. Alright. Okay, Ryan, give me your brake lights. So there's the brake lights. Okay, off. Okay, left turn signal. Right turn signal. Okay. Brake lights again. Brake lights, left turn signal. Right turn signal. And there they go, guys. I think they're pretty. Oh, there's the rear backup lights. Yeah, they're really bright. They're way brighter than the stock ones. Okay. Very easy install. Really like the way they look. All right, guys. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.